if you're going to take out your roof lining lights, which is this side here, to swap out the bulbs, which I have done over there, put some LEDs in, and also taking the time, because what I've noticed is when you take it out, it's particularly loose. Also should probably clean in here as well, it's a little dusty, but it's particularly loose. The contact points here, over there, and this one here, if you can see, that one there, and that one there on the side here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's where it hooks in and it stays in, and then the screws go in, 1 and 2 there, 1, 2 there. So what I've done is to make sure that there's no rattles, especially when you play the music, a little bit of cloth tape, cotton tape, and just do 1, maybe 2 wraparounds. Be sure not to cover these points here. Like I said, these tabs are where it hooks in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sorry, it's a bit hard to do one-handed, but you can see what I'm talking about. 1 there on that side, 1 down the side, and the same on the opposite sides. And then when you're putting it back, you make sure you obviously put in the clip first. So I'll try and do that real quick. Once the clip is placed back in, just push in this top side first, like that, and then when you push in the back, you'll see there's a bit of resistance. It doesn't want to go back as easy as it came out. Just there you go, and now that's seated in properly and particularly tight, I might add. It's snug. Test to make sure everything works. Back as well, make sure everything works. Switch it off, and now we just put in the screws, which are these T20 T20 torque screws, which go in here, just there. Just remember not too tight, because it is screwing onto this plastic bracket here. That screw is screwing onto this plastic bracket, and it is flexible and it can break. So lightly, just enough, hand tighten until it stops moving or stops turning. Now that you're almost done, don't forget your cover piece on plate that goes over, slides in the back here just like that. But what we're going to do is we're going to do some additional sound deadening to this as well, just to prevent any further rattles that might occur on this particular piece right here. So we're just going to go ahead with a little bit of tape. We're going to wrap this end here, and we're going to wrap this end here with a little bit of tape on these clips here. They clip in over there and over there and there and there. Oh, let's see if you can see it. Clips in there and there, there and there. So that's why we want to put some of this tape as well. See?